Well, I haven't done a watch review in a while, so let's do a watch review. This is the Vostok Europe Expedition North Pole 1. Now, Vostok was a famous Soviet-era company. This is not associated with them. They took the name, they added Europe. I assume they took the name to kind of get a boost on their ability to sell. But this is a big, chunky, heavy watch. This is rubber tape that I put on the bottom because I couldn't actually get it to fit. It was either too loose or too tight, so I put a little bit of extra there, and that works well for me. And I'm not covering up the glass. There is no exhibition case back. But this is kind of like an Invicta, only more solid. It's got a mechanical movement instead of Invicta's quartz. It's got a big angular case to it, but it's also got some soft lines in there too. I love how the mid case slopes down to the lugs, and then you have this sharp side of the mid case. It has a screw down crown with this knurling on it. You gotta really kind of push and pull to get what you want out of that crown. The dial is extremely present, obvious, however you want to call it. The 12 o'clock has that giant arrow, very obvious. You got the 9, 6, and 3. You can see those from space. And the big arrow, hour hand, the minute hand that is just big enough to go along with everything else, but I think it's interesting that the minute hand is one of the smaller elements on the dial. Nice big second hand with the loom dot, and most of this is loomed. I'm noticing the date is right in the middle of setting. There we go. The color of the dial is a very dark anthracite. It's not quite black. It is very close, though. You got the extra seconds track in between the 5-minute indices that give it a little bit of depth. It's not, without that, it would probably look a lot more minimalist. It looks quite nice, contrasting with the white and the anthracite. I love the 4:30 date position. Pretty much anywhere other than 3 o'clock is nice in my book. It's a little bit unusual. And this giant ray hooked, which is the angular piece that goes from the glass to the dial. It's a very three-dimensional dial. Even though the appliques are, flat and not very thick, it looks very present. And with the ray hood, it does give that kind of 3D look. It's heavy. It's chunky. We got this double thick strap here with a double pin buckle that can be a little hard to get off, as you have to pull both out at the same time. It's a relatively minor problem, but it is something I've dealt with. The keepers are also stitched in place. You can't move them, which is kind of an unusual choice. And as they age, they fray, which I don't really mind. It adds a little character to it. Studded on the back of the strap to give it a little bit more lasting power. If you like big watches, this is not a bad pick. This is the Vostok Europe Expedition North Pole 1.